Whoa! Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC with the Lunchbox EVO Beauty. I got batteries charging. We're gonna go out and do the GPS speed run with this. I wanted to see how fast it is. It has a 15 turn. So we're gonna go out to the ball field where the tar is over there, where we do the speed runs. And we'll see how fast this sucker goes. Right there, Lunchbox Beauty. And the battery is almost finished. Meet you at the GPS speed spot. Alright guys, I got the GPS. We're going to hook it on and we're going to do this GPS speed run and see how fast this goes with the 15 turn. This is the BS Slot Cars YouTube channel. This is my other channel. This is the van for it. If you like slot cars, go check out BS Slot Cars and subscribe. There's lots of cool stuff going on over there. Let's hook this up. Alright guys, I have it on. It's ready to rock. Let's do this. See how fast this goes. Lunchbox. Whoa! I don't want to do that. Lunchbox EVO speed test. Looks like that front wheel's off balance. That should be good enough. Looks like my left front wheel's out of balance. See it wobbling around as it's going. Let's see how fast it is, ladies and gentlemen. 20.2. We got 20.2. I felt faster than that. Guess that's a good speed for this thing. Let's try it over here. .2. See what we get. Looks like 20.2. I'm gonna reset it for the hell of it and try it again. See if it gets any different. It feels a lot faster than 20.2, I guess because it's top heavy. I'll try this again. Dang Lunchbox. Let's see what this does. Alright, that should be it again. Yep, there goes nothing. It's just top heavy, I think. When I turn it, it wobbles, and I put extra spring spacers in it too. It's just not too stable, I guess. Looks like 20 miles an hour is all you want with this thing. Now it's not working. Now it's connected again. It's going all haywire. Try it again. Something always messes me up over here. Usually not over here, but now it's not even working, guys. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this thing. What this does, it's working. Looks like it. Alright. Now this should be it. The true test. Or the Lunchbox EVO. That's not that fast. Maybe it was 21 miles an hour. Haha. Almost nailed the car.
You want to race? Is that gas?
No, it's electric.
That's nice. Oh, you making a video too?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's 20 miles an hour, so it was the first recommended thing we seen there, 20 point something. Anyhow, let's ride it. Guy in his car wanted to race it. That's it. It's like a little over 20 miles an hour. This thing's a handful, boys. It's a handful. Let's just give it a little run now. Oh, I put some spacers in the suspension. Now it kind of seems like it's bouncing more. It's more spacers. I think it worked better or less. Yep, you see it flips easy. See, I put two, I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I put two right there and just one in the front under there, a regular little one. It just feels like you turn it and it just wobbles. It just really waddles around this heavy body. I wish I could find one of those Lexan ones, but you can't anymore. Anyhow, it's nice. I wouldn't go much more than 20 miles an hour with this thing, that's for sure. Anyhow, guys, that's GPS test. You seen it? Lunchbox EVO with this 15 turn. I knew this arrma 15 turn really ain't like a 15 turn. If you bought a normal one with the brushes on the outside of the motor instead of in the can, I think it would be a lot faster. But I had this arrma. I knew it felt kind of slow, the RPMs on it. I just put it in. But actually, 20 miles an hour, what was it, 20 point something, I forget. The BS Slot Cars Lunchbox van, really good. And also, guys, again, check out BS Slot Cars, my other YouTube channel, if you like cars, fast cars, good looking cars. I have all sorts of slot cars and I do all crazy stuff with them like I do with the RC cars. Go check it out. I appreciate you all watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Leave likes in the comments, helps the channel out. Later, guys, with the Lunchbox EVO. Whoa! I think the softer springs were better. Too many spacers makes her not good. Later.